so we're going to start moving forward with toe struts with your right foot. Toe, heel, then left. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Now we're going to do a K-step, and that's when you step to an angle to the front and then back, and then to an angle to the back and back. So it's step together, then step back, step together, then to the back. Step together, step together. And then the next part of the dance, we're going to just point our foot out to the side while turning a quarter turn. So it's point, together. Then we do the same thing on our left, but still facing the same direction. Point, together. Then we're going to do a jazz box. It's actually a jazz box cross. So what the difference is, instead of just doing your jazz box, you're going to, instead of ending together, so what that looks like from the front would be a jazz box or jazz square. Instead of the putting your feet together, like I said, you're going to go the jazz box, step, then cross left over right with your weight on your left. So those parts together are toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, K-step. Then point, turn, point together, jazz box cross. Okay? And so we ended then with our weight on our left. So we're going to do a little Lindy step, which is just side, together, side. Then rocking back on our, we're going to put our weight on our left foot. So rock back left, recover right. Then do the same thing to the left. Left, together, left, rock back, and recover. And then the whole dance starts again. So then it's toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, K-step. Point with the turn together, point together, jazz box cross, step together, rock back, step together, rock back. Okay, and then on this time I'll put the counts in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, so one last time. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, K-step. Point together, jazz, square or box, cross, Lindy, and Lindy.